A very warm welcome to Tech Mining. This is the second part of the previous video, in which we accessed remote data using REST data sources. In this second part, we will perform DML operations on the local server and will view the reflection on the remote server. Now, let's test how data manipulation committed on the local server affects the interactive report on the remote server. First, we are going to add a new employee record in the local database. After creating a record of new employee in the local database, let's see whether it is reflected in the interactive report on the remote server. As you can see, the record of the new employee is reflected automatically in the interactive report. Now let's do some modifications to this new employee's record. Here I am changing the job type of this new record. The amendment is also reflected in the interactive report. Refresh your browser's window. Finally, test the delete operation. As you can see, the total number of records are 15, including the new employee's record. Now refresh the page. As you can see, the record is vanished. And the total number of records has also decreased by 1. That's it. Thank you for watching.